So guys, today I have this fabulous Classico style villa. It's a detached Classico with off-road parking and a pedestrian gate. I'm really excited to show you this one. We are on an urbanisation called Camposo here in the Murcia region on the Costa Calida. Got some beautiful surrounding views. So let me take you inside and we'll have a look around. Now these are beautiful Classico. Very decorative and ornate garden. Got non-slip tiles through the pathway all the way up leading to the house itself. So just here, as you can see, there is plenty of shrubs and plants. Some are established, like that beautiful bottle brush one there. And I'll just show you around the garden here. Let's go over to the off-road parking just here, just for you to see. Now this is a rolled back gate and there is enough, you could easily get 2 cars in there, and you've got your porthole there just to shade the car. Okay, so I'm going in through the front door over here. I'm going to show you around this lovely home. So let's go in and check it out. As you can see, there's records and blackout blinds on the doors, as well as insect screens. And you also have security cameras. So you're about 4 steps up, and you have got this nice decorative balustrade here as well. We'll just go inside for a moment. Now immediately as we come in, you can see there is a very modern ceiling light and fan. You have aircon here as well. So, and this lovely Classico has dual aspect windows, as you can see. Just going to pan around for you. And you have a feature fireplace there. So before we even look any further into the kitchen, let's go through the archway and have a look at the bedrooms and the family bathroom. So I'm just going through here. So just inside in here is your master bedroom. I'll just shut the door behind me. As you can see, there's modern ceiling light and fan and aircon. You've also got switches and sockets on either side of the bed, of course, for your lampshades. Here you have your integrated wardrobe with sliding doors. And this is quite a large bedroom as well. You can fit a king-size bed in here. And quite a good size, you know. So I'm just going to pan again, just for you to get a feel of the room. It is a really lovely bedroom and a good size room. Okay. So I'm now going to go into the bathroom, guys. Now, as we come into the bathroom, just above me, we got a very modern light. This room is all fully tiled, decorative tiling throughout. You have a semi-frosted glass shower screen and a mirror there. You've also got your WC and some storage. Do like the tiling in here, it's quite unusual. You have your frosted glass window there. And just above here, you've got your rain head shower. Okay. So just move across here. You have your sink and your vanity unit. And you have a nice modern mirror. Just above the door, of course, you've got a heater. You have your shaving socket just there by the towel rail. And this is a lovely modern upgraded bathroom. So let me take you into the guest room now. Now in here, of course, is the guest bedroom. Oh, and this is really nice. Look at this. You've got patio doors into another area there. You have, of course, got your ceiling light and fan. Nice large mirror here. This is quite a substantial size double bedroom as well. I'm going to pan around for you guys now. And as you can see, there is another double wardrobe with integrated sliding doors there in white. Okay. So I'm going to take you out here and we'll have a look outside. So you've got patio doors here that slide across and a very ornate wrecker gate here, double one. And of course this looks over the pool. My goodness, this is beautiful. So just to give you a nice view, just outside here, you have got your dining area, which is really beautiful. You've got vaulted ceilings up there. And it just looks over the pool, which is spectacular. Right? So if I come up this end, this is a nice conservatory area. And of course, this is bifolding doors. They all fold back. You have, of course, some storage there and your washing machine. And you can see you've got your gas boiler there as well. So this goes into the kitchen. So before I even go outside there, I'm going to have a look in the kitchen because it's just leading that way, you know. Come back in the kitchen, right? I'm going to pan around so you can see where I am. You've got plenty of top and base units. You have got your sink and drainer. You've got your integrated hob, electric hob and electric oven there, and base cupboards. Got your top cupboards there in a very high gloss grey. You've got very modern cupboards there. Plenty of worktop space, and that's a nice granite. And you have drawers and cupboard space there, all in high gloss, really beautiful. You have got granite just here. And so I'm going to walk out again. I'm going to pan around for you so you can see where we are in the house. Okay. You have got spotlights up there. Don't want to miss them out. And I'm just going to walk out here and we'll have a look around the garden. Now the garden's absolutely beautiful. So let's go outside. So even though these doors are bifolding doors, there is a door that just opens up. Okay? So this is the way we're going out here. You can see those beautiful views. Unfortunately, the skies are a bit murky today. Or a bit moody skies we got. You have a shower there, and you have an area over there where you can sit and lounge. You've obviously got this beautiful pool here. And lovely area. Some stunning roses over that side. And as you noticed, the walls are raised for privacy as well. You have a couple of steps just down here. I'm going to take these down here. And I'm going to have a walk over here. Lovely pool. Crystal clear. And this is the area where you can have a game of darts. Or just chill out. You have got a TV there where you can watch your footy if you want as well. And as it says, it's 5 o'clock somewhere, so you can have a glass of wine or maybe a pink gin. And that's just a lovely area. So if you can imagine yourself, you're sitting down here and you're just looking out there. Except for those moody skies, it's usually quite beautiful and light. Okay? So I'm going to take you up those steps now and we'll have a look at the terrace above. You have solar lights just above here as well. So let's go over there and have a look. So see you at the top, guys. So just up here you have got your storage. You also have lighting. And this is a nice area. You could put some false grass here if you wanted, but this is like a little sun trap. And it's nice to have this extra space as well. And again, you have more storage just up here. So you have some tremendous views from up here. I'm just going to bring you over to give you a look. Really beautiful. Going to zoom in. And you can always walk your dogs over there as well. Okay. So let's go back downstairs, guys. So I'm just going to go back inside now. So guys, what do you think of this? Isn't this absolutely stunning villa? We have this beautiful detached Clasico with some fabulous outside space, and you have that extra rooftop solarium. We're about 20 minutes drive from the local beaches, and there are several of them down in the port of Mathron, and we're about 30 minutes from Covera Murcia International Airport, where you can get most flights from. So if you're interested in this villa, I will leave the reference number in the title below, and do contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com, and one of our girls or boys in the office will get back in touch with you. But you must tell them the reference number of the property so they know which house you're inquiring about, okay? And don't forget to put your contact details in there too. So until the next time, take care and have an amazing day.